what should be our expectation from the budget? Our expectation should be that the income tax slabs, if you can change, make it higher, then it can give relief to the taxpayers. The agricultural taxation, do something about it. Increase allocation to healthcare and education, reduce subsidies and freebies, expansion of performance linked incentive schemes for sunrise sectors, because we want our exports to go up, we want our imports to come down, and we want government to spend on sectors which will contribute to employment at a large scale. So incentivize those sectors. Of enhanced focus on renewable energy, government can come up with green bonds, which you and I investors can invest in that green bonds. We can earn some return. So instead of any normal bonds, we invest in the green bonds, and that green bonds invest in the projects on renewable energy. Okay, so this is all what we expect from the budget, because if you see, जो बहुत बड़ा deficit हो रहा है, that is happening because of fuel consumption. Okay, we are importers of fuel. So if we can really make very big shift in renewable energy, a massive shift, then in that case, our import bills can come down. It can boost our GDP. Okay, it can reduce our revenue expenditure also to a great extent. Okay, and also the government should be strengthening MSMEs, because unemployment is a concern. So the mass scale employment can happen when your MSMEs become stronger. So incentivize MSMEs by coming up with a special tax rate for MSMEs, give them loans at a subsidized rates, maybe make a ecosystem which is boosting to MSMEs and startups. Okay, so these are our expectations, all of us, from the budget.